Hi, I'm Yosefa here with RX Safety. In this video, I want to talk about full lens safety reading glasses and why they might be helpful for you. So we offer full lens safety reading glasses, but you might be thinking, is that something that I need? Will it be helpful if I get something like that? Well, let me ask you, do you wear reading glasses? Do you wear safety glasses? Do you wear safety glasses on top of your reading glasses? Well, then it might be helpful to look into getting 2-in-1, because you don't have to wear 2 glasses at the same time. It can become a bit cumbersome, a bit annoying perhaps. And so for that reason, you could get the full lens safety reading glasses. Another scenario that could happen is you wear your safety glasses and then you want to write something down, and so you take off your safety glasses and you put on your reading glasses. Well, at that point, your eyes aren't protected anymore. So taking off your safety glasses can become an actual potential threat, and it might also violate your company policy. So for these reasons, it would be a good idea to maybe look into full lens safety reading glasses. Now, like I said, we do offer them on our website. We have several different frames. So we have these models. We have Impact, Blaze, Spark, Finesse, Maestro, Blackfin, Rugged, and Torque. And a new model of ours is the SR9100. The great thing about this one is that it has a wraparound frame and a magnifying lens, and this reduces fatigue and eye strain. It also has a flexible nose bridge as well as rubber temple tips to minimize them from slipping. And of course, all our glasses are ANSI Z87 approved. Now, if you're interested in any of these glasses, I've put a link in the description below. And if you have any questions about this topic or about the glasses or anything else, we would love to help you. On our website, there's also a chat option. So just shoot us a message, but you can also always give us a call.